So this is Mr. Sung Ho.
Oh,
He's Korean.
morning. How are you?
How's your life living this village?
Very small, but enough to my family.
You already adjust the living.
Yes.
Guys, galing tayo doon, may tinitingnan kaming pwesto na tindahan at malapit lang pala dito yung bahay ni Sung Ho, yung Koreano nating kaibigan. So nandito yung bahay nila guys. Ayan. Koreano to, nakapangasawa siya ng taga dito, kapitbahay namin, pero dito yung bahay nila. So pasukin natin at i-interviewin natin kung kumusta yung buhay-buhay niya dito. Tabing ilog, puntahan natin. Go, thank you. Yes, so this is Mr. Sung Ho.
Oh,
He's Korean.
morning. How are you?
How's your life here? Good.
Yes. Good. You make the store?
Yeah,
Good idea.
good. Yeah, if you can fix the store.
Up there?
Yeah,
Oh, no?
yeah. The one that you see the riverside.
Yeah.
The small one.
Yes.
Yeah. But we're neighbor again.
Yes. Okay. Welcome.
Yeah. Thank you for the coffee. Can you go inside?
Come here.
Yeah,
It's okay.
Go inside his house. This is Hanyul, the pretty daughter. There are 2 rooms in their house. Yeah, nice. How's your life living this village?
Very small, but enough to my family.
You already adjust the living.
Yes.
Complete. There's appliances there. Where's the TV?
Over there.
Over there.
In the room.
In the room, can I go inside? Wow, the big TV here. Here.